So exercise 8a, question number 11. If x cube plus ax square plus bx plus 6 has x minus 2 as a factor and leaves a remainder 3 when divided by x minus 3, find the values of a and b. So first, f of x is equal to x cube plus ax square plus bx plus 6. That is, x minus 2 is a factor, means x minus 2 equated to 0. So x is equal to 2. Substitute f of x has 2 here. So f of 2 is equal to 2 cube plus a into 2 square plus b into 2 plus 6 is equal to f of 2 as a factor, x minus 2 as a factor. So we can replace f of 2 as 0. So 2 cube is 8 plus 4a plus 2b plus 6. Solve it. 0 is equal to 8 plus 6. 14 plus 4a plus 2b. So we can take this 14 here, minus 14. So 4a plus 2b. So dividing throughout by 2. So negative 14 by 2 is negative 7 is equal to 4a by 2 is 2a plus 2b by 2 is plus b. So we can write this as 2a plus b is equal to negative 7. Let it be equation number 1. Up to this understood? All of you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Girls, any doubt? Girls, clear now? Got it? Girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
Given x minus 3. We divide this f of x by x minus 3. We will get the remainder as 3. So x minus 3 is equal to 0. So we can replace x as 3. F of 3 is equal to 3 cube plus a into 3 square plus b into 3 plus 6. Leaves the remainder 3 means we can write f of 3 as what? 3. Remainder 3 when divided by x minus 3. So f of 3, we can write it as 3. 3 cube is 27 plus 9a plus 3b plus 6. So what will be? 33. Then 33 to the left side means minus 33. So 9a plus 3b. So 33 minus 3 is 30. Negative 30 is equal to 9a plus 3b. Here also we can divide throughout by 3. So it will be negative 30 by 3 is 10 is equal to 9a divided by 3 is 3a plus 3b divided by 3 is b. So we can write it as 3a plus b is equal to negative 10. Let it be equation number 2. Then solve 1 and 2. First equation we got it as what? You want to tell me? First equation, what we got?
2a plus
2a
b
plus b
B is equal to
equal to minus 7.
negative 7.
negative 7. So now we
Negative
got it as, okay, 3a plus b is equal to negative 10. So what we want to do? B saying no. So if we subtract, subtract. Is it possible? Subtract or add? Subtract, no.
Subtract.
Okay. So 2a minus, if you don't know, please do in the working column. 2a minus 3a is what? One sign is positive, other sign is negative. Subtract and put the bigger number sign.
Negative a.
Negative a is equal to, you did negative 7 minus minus 10. So it will be negative 7 plus 10. What about others?
Yes,
They
ma'am.
can't.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear no?
Net problem.
Okay. Basil, you have some net problem, I think so.
3, 3, 3.
Do your own. Okay. Afterwards, I will send the video. No. So check with that video. Okay. Negative 7 plus 10. So it is positive 3, no? Positive 3. So a is equal to negative 3. Negative a is equal to 3. So a is equal to negative 3. Then substitute a is equal to negative 3 in which equation? 1 or 2? Your choice.
One.
situation you are substituting? 1.
രണ്ടാമത്തെ മതി.
Okay. Substitute.
One madi.
Okay.
T
Substitute.
is equal to
K
negative.
is
എടി ഒരു
equal to
പേന
negative
എടുത്തിട്ട് അടിച്ച
3
1.
in second equation or first equation.
Second.
Okay. 3a plus b is equal to.
First.
Sama saying plus. What? Same answer you will get. No problem. 3a plus b is equal to negative 10. So 3a. So 3 into negative 3 plus b is equal to negative 10. So negative 9 plus b is equal to 10. So b is equal to 10 plus 9. That is b is equal to
1.
about 90. All got 90. What about others? No.
Ma'am, 1 is the answer. Negative 10.
only.
Negative 10 plus 9.
Right, it is
Negative 9.
negative
Oh,
10.
negative 10 here. Negative instead of okay. Instead this negative 10. No, I wrote only positive 10 here. Okay, negative 10. So negative
One
1
is the answer.
plus 1. Okay, 1 minus mistake. No. Negative 10 plus 1 is
Minus 1. Negative 1.
negative 1. Okay.
Negative.
Here I didn't
Miss,
put one. Tell me.
പക്ഷെ ഇങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ എക്സാമിന് മാർക്ക് പോവോ?
Oi. You will get only 2 marks here. If it is wrong, you want to put negative. So negative 10 plus 9. Only. So negative 1. So got it. No? A is equal to negative 3. B is equal to. Careless mistake affects no. This number 12. F of x is equal to 2x cube plus ax square plus bx minus 2 leaves remainder 7 and 0 when divided by x minus 2x minus 3. So 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 by 2. Substitute x is equal to 3 by 2 here. Equal to 2 into 3 by 2 the whole cube plus a into 3 by 2 the whole square plus b into 3 by 2 minus 2. Minus 2. It will be what? F of 3 by 2. How can we can replace that as 7. 7. Remainder 7. So 2x minus 3. We got f of 3 by 2 as 7. Then how can we write this? Directly we can write, I think so. Just listen without multiplying. So 2 into 3 cube is 27 divided by 8 plus a into 9 by 4 plus 3b by 2 minus 2. You can take this minus 2 to this side. So it will be plus 2. Then here we can cancel 4. So 7 plus 2 is equal to 27 by 4 plus 9a by 4 plus 3b by 2. Then again we can take this 27 by 4 to the left side. So this is 9 minus 27 by 4 is equal to 9 by 4 plus 3b by 2. Take LCM. LCM using Vedic maths. 9 can be written as 9 by 1. So cross multiplication model 9 into 4. 36 minus 1 into 27 is 27 divided by 1 into 4 is 4. 1 into 4, 4. Is equal to 9a by 4 plus 3b by 2. So 36 minus 27. How much? 36 minus 27. 36 minus
9 by
9 by 4 is equal to 9a by 4 plus 3b by 2. Then next what we want to do? So 9 by 4 is equal to, then LCM 9a into 2. 9 2s are 18a plus again here 4 3s are 12b divided by 4 into 2 is 8. Then next step, how can we write? If it is division in the right side, if we want to take that division to the left side means it will be or it will become
Multiplication.
multiplication. So this division, right side division, if it comes here means it will be multiplication. So 9 by 4 as 9 by 4 itself. Then that divided by 8 will become into 8. Okay. Is equal to remaining 18a plus 12b itself. So a 4 and 8 cancel. 2 times 9 2s are 18 is equal to 18a plus 12b. I think got it. If you don't know this method, you can follow just cross multiplication method. 18a plus 12b into 4 is equal to 9 into 8. No need of multiplying this. 18a plus 12b is equal to 9 into 8 divided by 4. 4 into 8 2 times. So 18a plus 12b is equal to 9 2s are 18. Same answer, no? So either this method or this method you can apply. Then next what we want to do, 18 is equal to 8
throughout by
And all throughout.
plus 12 dividing throughout by
2.
2. So
Two.
then 2 and 3 possible. So 3 is possible, no? So we can do it 3 dividing throughout by 3. How many times? 18 divided by 3.
6
Ah.
equal to 6a plus 4b.
A plus 4b. Again we can divide, I think so. No. Again possible, no? Which one? Again we can divide by
Divided by 2.
okay, divided by 2. So it will be 6 divided by 2, 3 is equal to
3a plus
3a plus
2.
2, 2b. Let it be equation number 1. Okay, again write f of x is equal to 2x cube plus ax square plus bx minus 2 when divided by x plus 2. So x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to negative 2. So f of negative 2 is equal to 2 into negative 2 cube plus a into negative 2 square plus b into negative 2 minus 2. Divided by x plus 2 leaves a remainder 0. So f of negative 2 we can replace it as 0. The first part we got the remainder as 7. Second part is 0. So negative 2 cube is what? 2 into negative 8. Then plus a into negative 2 square is positive 4 minus 2b. Positive b into negative 2 is minus 2b minus 2. So 0 is equal to negative 16 plus 4a plus minus 2b minus 2. 0 is equal to, don't look at the board, do your own, minus 2b. We can take this to the left side. So it will be positive 18, 4a minus 2b. 4a minus 2b. Then do we want to divide by 2 or not? What about the first equation? Tell me first equation, what we got? First equation. Anyone of you? First equation is what? First equation.
3a plus 2b
2b
is equal to 3.
equal to 3. This is the first equation. Here 2b is here, here also 2b is there. So no need of dividing throughout by 2 again. Understood? Why we are not dividing? If we divide means we want to multiply again with the that 2. So no need of dividing with the 2. Since the coefficient of b is 2, no need of divide with the divide by 2. So directly we can write what 4a minus 2b is equal to 18. Let it be equation number 2. Solving 1 and 2, we will get a as what? If we add, no? Add possible. So
A is equal to 3.
7a is equal to what?
Is equal to 3. 21.
21. So a is equal to 21 by 7. That is a is equal to 3. Substitute that value in equation number 1 or 2. A is equal to 3. Substitute
Two.
A is equal to 3.
1.
One.
Okay, 1. So
1.
3A plus 2B is equal to 3. So 3 into 3 is what? 9.
9.
Plus 2B is equal to 3. 2B is equal to 3 minus 9. That is 2B is equal to negative 6. So B is equal to negative 6 by 2, negative
3.
Okay. Let K be the number. Let K be the number to be added. To be added. Let K be the number to be added. Let K be the number to be added. Therefore, f of x is equal to 3x cubed minus 5x square plus 6x plus k. Then x is equal to 3. F x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 3. So f of 3 is equal to 3 into 3 cube minus 5 into 3 square plus 6 into 3 plus k. F of 3. F of 3 is what? Resulting polynomial is divided by x minus 3. The remainder is 8. Remainder is 8. No? So replace it as 8 is equal to. So 3 into 3 cube is 27 minus 5 into 9 plus 6 3s are 18 plus k. So what about 27 into 3?
81.
81.
Minus 9 into 5?
45.
45 plus 18 plus k. So what about 81 minus 45? Then add
54.
36.
54.
54. Come on, answer.
81 minus 45 is what?
36 plus
36.
18 is equal to 54.
36 plus 18 plus k, 8. So 8 is equal to 36 plus 18 is what?
54.
54 plus k. So k we need. So take 54 to the left side. 8 minus
Answer negative 46.
negative 46 is equal to k. So k is equal to negative 46. Okay, thank you.